Happy Thursday. I'm going to show you a few fabrics that are just absolutely lovely. And everything's at $14.99 today. So that's a great deal. This is this is 100% cotton. It's hard to even believe that it is. It's a satin weave on one side, but it's a matte on the other. It's the opposite. So both sides would be usable. And I mean, it is just lovely. As a scarf, it's got great drape. 100% cotton. It's just absolutely beautiful. $14.99 is a steal price. And then this cream goes with it, or coordinates with it beautifully. It is 100% cotton also. It's got a little bit of a pattern to it, but very, very mild. Both sides are really usable on this. I can't really tell a difference. Again, 100% cotton. It is a woven. Both of these, that's a woven. This is a viscose. You can see that beautiful sheer viscose. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Of course, the color matches this perfectly. It'd be great for a little blouse with a jacket, but it is pretty. This is, it's a woven. I mean, it's got stretch, but it's more mechanical stretch. It's not really meant to be a stretch. It's very pretty, very light, but yet great drape. So it'd be really pretty blouse. And again, there's not much yardage on any of these. These are kind of like we've had them. This is 100% cotton. You guys can see this is that etched leaf. We had it in a blue. It's gone. I just love this. I think it's so beautiful. Really, both sides could be used. I think one side is definitely the right side, but boy, these days it doesn't really matter. But 100% cotton, again, $14.99 is just kind of a giveaway. And then these two are coordinates. They're the same fabric, but one is smaller rectangles and one is larger rectangles. So this has like a little piping through it. It's a white. It's not a white. It's more of a milk. Just a little bit off-white. They're both cotton polys. One is the smaller rectangles, and one is the larger rectangles. And they're both just really cool. They'd be great coordinates to maybe do the body out of one and the sleeve out of another. But anyway, very pretty together. And again, not much yardage on those either. But the goal is great fabrics make happy sewing. I'm convinced of that. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.